Here I have OnePlus 6 and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Let's start with the quick gestures. Let's slide up and go to settings. Now we need to move to buttons and gestures, and here we have quick gestures option. Here we have some option like 3-finger screenshot. It works like that. Now we took a screenshot. We can, for example, flip the phone to mute, and what is most interesting, we can draw some letters and, for example, launch some application, or for example flashlight, video or camera. Okay, let's get to the second one, which is the smart lock. Let's slide up and go to settings. Now we need to choose security and lock screen, and here we have the smart lock. First we need to set up some pattern, for example just like that. Okay, done. And here we have smart lock. Let's confirm our pattern, read the note, and here we have some useful features. Here we have on body detection, which unlocked our device when it's on us. We can add some trusted places, trusted devices, or match the voice to the Google Assistant. Okay, let's go to the next feature, which is 3D touch in quotation marks, because these are not original 3D touch from iPhone. Okay, when we hold the icon of the application, here we have small menu. We can remove, edit, and check the info about the application, and for example some widgets. And here we have widgets for Google Chrome. Okay, let's go to the next feature, which is hiding the navigation bar. Let's go to settings, then choose buttons and gestures, and now navigation bar and gestures. Here we can, for example, hide the navigation bar and navigate the phone by using the special gestures. Here we have some introduction, and we can learn how to use the phone without the navigation bar. Let's go back and see the last one, the home screen options. We need to hold down, and here we have home settings. In this menu we have plenty of useful features, like we can disable the shelf if we don't like it. We can disable swipe down to access settings, or for example we can change the icon pack if we don't like the actual one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under this video.